Hey everyone, Joseph here, and in this video, I'm going to introduce to you our newest offering, which is the Airstack Hubs API, which is the easiest way for you to build Farcaster apps without managing your own hubs. And this Hubs API is going to be offered for free, as you see right here, and will provide all access to the read and write endpoints that's available in the Farcaster Hubs. So the only thing you need is to provide an API key when making the request, and everything is free for you to read and write to the hubs. And this hubs itself has a rate limit of 3,000 requests per minute and 300 requests per second. Currently, we're offering the hubs API as HTTP and gRPC. So for HTTP, you just need to provide the base URL with the endpoint, the specific endpoint that you want to access, and then you just need to provide the Airstack API key into the headers through the x-airstack-hubs field right here. For the HTTP API, you can also test it out before starting to do some coding by live testing it through our Swagger UI right here, which is available in the swagger.airstack.xyz. So before testing out any particular API directly, you can provide the authorization API key, and you just need to drop in your Airstack API key right here. I already did it here. So once you have that, you can test out any of the API right here, provide the inputs, for example, like this, and then click execute to run the API. And within minutes, you can try it out very quickly right there and get the response, of course. Now for the gRPC one, we also offer it with this base URL right here, hubs-grpc.airstack.xyz. And again, you just need to provide the Airstack API key to the metadata or the header in gRPC. And that's going to be provided inside the x-airstack-hubs field as well. And to get started quickly, you can follow this quick start guide right here that we provided. The first one is going to be quick start with the HTTP API. If you want to access the HTTP API, it's going to give you sample codes on how to run it. On the other hand, if you want to use the gRPC API, we also provide a tutorial here on how to use it. This is going to be using the Farcaster/hub Node.js library in this case, and how to connect it and how to add the Airstack API key like that. And once you have everything set up from the get started section, then you can explore what's down below in here, which is going to provide you a list of use cases from each endpoint and see which one suits your use case best. And for each of the use cases, essentially, again, we also provide the code for the HTTP API, which is going to use the Axios library in here. So you just need to copy and paste. And again, for the gRPC API, going to use the Farcaster Hub Node.js. Hopefully all of these are helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop the comment down below. Thanks so much and cheers.